I've gotten a lot of questions about how to shoot a video and then upload it to YouTube, and then how to get a shareable link from YouTube so that you can put it onto your learning management system. So the first thing that you will need to do is to go to the App Store or to your Google Play Store, and you want to find the YouTube app. So please download the app first. It's free. And once you have that downloaded, you'll go ahead and open the app. And in the top part of the screen, you can find the camera. So you've got the your icon there, a search option, and then the camera. So click on the camera, please. And you can actually choose a video if you've already shot one, or you can record a video. So I will show you how you can record a video very quickly. So this is me testing out a video right here. I'm going to shoot a test video for you guys. And once you get your video, then you can actually trim your video. You can set in filters if you want to. And then you'd hit next. Once you have your video ready to go, then you will give your video a title. So I'll say, give it my self-introduction. Okay, and right now it says that it's public. If this is for a class, I want to make sure that you put this as unlisted. So only people with the link can find this video. Also, you don't have to put your location. So once you're ready, in the top right side of your screen, you'll see Upload. So please click on Upload. And right now I'm uploading my video. It's processing right now. And as soon as this video is finished processing, then I can get my shareable link. Now that your video is uploaded, I'll go home just to show you. So you would click on your icon at the top, and you would click to your channel, and then find videos. So there's my video that I just recorded. It's my self-introduction video. This was just my test right here. Testing out a video right here. I'm going to shoot a... So once you're ready with that, you can see the arrow that says share. There's an arrow with the word share right below that. Click on that, and you want to copy the link. So now this link is copied, and you can paste the link into your learning management system, or you can email the link to yourself or to your teacher. And that is how you can upload videos to YouTube.